Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure the Oneplus is unlocked and connected to the Google account that manages apps. Once ready, open Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. You do this because Play Protect lives inside the Play Store settings. Next, tap Play Protect from the menu. That gets you straight to the security controls. Don't wander into unrelated menus. This is the shortest path to the toggle you need. Once in Play Protect, tap the settings gear in the upper corner to reveal controls. You will see Scan Apps with Play Protect. Flip that toggle off, and when a confirmation appears, accept it if you understand the trade-offs. Make sure to read the warning because disabling scanning removes automatic checks. After turning it off, return to the Play Protect main screen and verify the status shows scans are disabled. This step stops automatic app scanning from Play Store. Finish by optionally disabling Play Protect notifications so you're not repeatedly prompted. Once done, restart your Oneplus to ensure the change persists across reboots. If the toggle refuses to change, make sure Play Store is updated, clear Play Store cache, and check that no device admin or enterprise policy is enforced. A quick troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add your Google account if settings remain blocked. That often resolves policy locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.